If you're trying to decide between Plus500 and eToro, you're not alone. Both are widely used trading platforms, but they appeal to very different types of traders. Let's break down what each one offers, their strengths, and where they might fall short, so you can figure out which is the right fit for you. First up, let's talk about Plus500. Plus500 is a pure CFD broker, meaning you're trading contracts for difference rather than directly owning the underlying assets. The big advantage here is simplicity. The platform is very user-friendly and designed for quick access to global markets, including forex, indices, commodities, ETFs, shares, and cryptocurrencies. Risk management tools such as guaranteed stop-loss orders are also built in, which makes it a safe environment for beginners who want to control downside risk. But Plus500 is fairly limited if you're looking for depth. It doesn't offer advanced research, social features, or a strong educational ecosystem. You're trading prices, not building a portfolio. That makes Plus500 best suited for short-term traders who want a clean, no-frills interface rather than those looking for long-term investing or community-driven insights. Now let's turn to eToro. eToro has built its brand around social and copy trading. The platform allows you to trade CFDs, but also to actually buy and own real stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies, depending on your region. One of its biggest draws is the ability to follow and copy the trades of other investors. So if you're a beginner, you can learn directly by mirroring the strategies of more experienced traders. eToro also adds a social media layer where traders can share insights, comment, and interact with each other, creating a community-driven trading experience. Where eToro shines is in versatility. It's a hybrid between a broker and a social network, and for many traders that makes the experience more engaging. However, there are trade-offs. eToro's spreads can be higher than some competitors, and the platform, while accessible, can feel cluttered if you prefer a minimalist trading setup. For advanced traders, the tools may also feel somewhat limited compared to specialist platforms. So, which one should you choose? If you want a simple, streamlined way to speculate on markets without distractions, Plus500 is the better fit. But if you're looking for a more interactive experience, one where you can copy top traders, engage with a community, and even mix CFD trading with real asset ownership, eToro is likely the stronger option. In short, Plus500 is for simplicity and short-term CFD trading, while eToro is for social trading, real asset ownership, and community-driven investing. Both platforms are reliable, but your choice really depends on whether you prefer a straightforward trading environment or a more interactive and versatile investing experience. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.